How's it going, guys? ThunderBuddy01 here. Do you want to provide extra support to the ThunderBuddy01 Media Network? Do you have extra cash lying around? Become an official ThunderBuddy superfan today. For just $2.99 a month, you will get access to members-only perks, such as shoutouts, exclusive badges and emojis, priority replies to your comments, and when ThunderBuddy01 himself feels like it, early access to new videos. Do not delay, join now. You can use the link in the top of the description, or the blue join button. And as always, strike them likes, flood that subscribe button, and twist that notification bell. KXI89 be like, hey baby.
Bro, you for real? I was just about to go to sleep, my guy.
Storm warning in effect from midnight tonight to midnight Eastern Standard Time Friday night. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 7 to 12 inches. Where? Portions of central, eastern, northeastern, and western Massachusetts. When? From midnight tonight to midnight Eastern Standard Time Friday night. Impacts. Travel will be very difficult, especially for the Friday morning commute. The hazardous conditions will also impact evening commute. Additional details: snow will overspread the region between 1 and 4 a.m. Friday morning. The snow will quickly become heavy, falling at the rate of 1 to 2 inches per hour at times Friday morning. This will have a significant impact for Friday morning commute. The snow may change to a period of sleep near and especially south of the Massachusetts Turnpike by late Friday morning. Any mixed precipitation should change back to snow later Friday afternoon and early evening before ending. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Winter storm watch remains in effect.
Taunton. Travel will be. Travel will be. You crushing on people?
What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 8 to 12 inches. Southeast next Friday morning. Where? The Mohawk Valley, Capital District, Northern and Central Tectonic, Schoharie Valley, Thunderbird, Northern Catskills, northern portions of the Big Hudson Valley, and the Berkshires. When? From 11 p.m. this evening to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. Heavy mixed precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 8 inches tonight. Accumulations of a light breeze. Where portions of northern Connecticut, southeastern Massachusetts, and northern Rhode Island. When, from midnight tonight to midnight Eastern Standard Time Friday night. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Additional details. Snow will overspread the region between 1 and 4 a.m. Friday morning. The snow will quickly become heavy, falling at the rate of 1 to 2 inches per hour at times through daybreak Friday. The snow will change to sleet from south to north Friday morning, and some light freezing rain is possible across northern Connecticut and northwest Rhode Island. Precipitation may change to a period of light rain across parts southeastern New England. Mixed precipitation will change back to all snow before ending later Friday afternoon and early evening. This will result in a flash freeze across portions of Rhode Island and southeast Massachusetts. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Winter storm warning. Winter storm warning in effect from 10 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. What? Heavy mixed precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 8 inches tonight. Accumulations of up 1/10 of an inch. Where? Litchfield County. When? From 10 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions will impact the morning commute and impact evening commute Friday. Additional details. Maximum snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour are possible, mainly late tonight into early Friday morning. Snow will change to sleet early Friday morning, with a brief period of freezing rain possible Friday morning. Mixed precipitation may change back to snow Friday afternoon before ending. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight.